Welcome to Mentor MMA channel. In our Excel functions video today, we will be focusing on today function. This video focuses on learning how to insert a dynamic date on an Excel sheet to have it updated date every day. For example, you have a report where you have to display today's date. What you do is that you update date every morning. That's not the right way to do it. I mean that you need to do a repetitive task every day. You could forget about it. So for all those reasons, there is a today function in Excel that extracts current date of your system so that your report always shows an updated date. So whenever you open that report on the day that you open that report, you will see that day's date automatically on your Excel sheet. So let's quickly jump into Excel and see. It's very quick video. All right, so here we are in Excel, and just imagine that this is your sales report, and on top of this you have a report date where you have written a date by typing in date, and you do that every morning. But that's not what you should do. You can simply use date function, which takes a few seconds to apply, and then it will update date every day. So what you do is you write equal sign today, bracket start and bracket end. That's it. You don't even have to write anything within those two brackets. So it's just equal sign today, two brackets, enter, and today's date is automatically inserted on your Excel sheet. That's how you can insert today's date in any Excel sheet at any point in your Excel sheet. So this was our quick video on current date in Excel, and hope you like this content. If you do, please like and subscribe our channel, and we look forward to see you in other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.